Alright, another project around here to do for a neighbor. So we have big ass wheels that don't fit Ford truck, I guess. That's what he has over there. I don't know if these are for him or someone else though. But anyway, that is the size hole that we need, and that is not the size hole to that wheel. So I got to cut the hole out to match that diameter. So that is the plan. So I don't know how big this is, but we'll have to measure this, see what size it is, and then we gotta put that thing up here in the mill and cut it out. So I guess we'll put a wheel up in the mill first and see what we got to deal with, because they're gonna be heavy. So first problem is figure out how you're going to hold it in the middle. I left the wheel weight on there for me too. Alright, so we got a flat surface here to work off of. And this surface here might be flat, but it's in the air. So I think this is going to be up, this is going to be down. I think that's what we're going to have to do here. So I got to cut the hole out to whatever size that is. So bang. So let's see what size this is. Let's see if we get lucky and measure with the caliper. I don't think we can. Nope. Caliper hits over here. So much for that. We use the old style caliper called a 6-inch scale. So it looks like we're about 4.9 inches. So it's probably 4 7/8. That's what it's supposed to be. That'd be 875 in case you don't know the numbers. Okay, this looks like it's the correct size here. We just need to lose this lip right here. Alright, simple. Easy job. That's what they brought over here for me to do. It's easy. Anybody can do it. Alright. Another wheel weight. There. Alright, no wheel weights there. Okay, now we gotta hold it down. That's pretty easy. We got rims. Hold it right on the rim here. That should be, that'll work halfway decent. Probably should have 4 hold downs to keep it from moving around too far. Bang. Alright, lots of hold downs. So deal with the angle. Angle of the dangle. So I got these conical shaped nuts and washers that allow for misalignment of the angle. See, like that. At least for whatever size the bolt is in the middle. Lost the light again. So they go in there like that. Okay, that'll work for that one. Get the plan laid out. And just do it again. Repeat. Well, looks like it's longer, so stick the washer on there like that. conical shape down. Okay, 2 down, 2 to go. Let's see, need some more parts, more tools. 2 more strap clamps. 2 more of everything. Everything goes in pairs around here. Alright. Turn everything down a little bit. You want to slide away, so you just go all of them just a little bit. Not too much torque, but a little bit. Probably about 12 foot-pounds maybe. If you torque it too much, all you do is bend the lip down. Appears to be pretty solid. So now you get up here and do some work. We're going to have to indicate the center hole. Or just eyeball it. How close can we eyeball it? Pretty close, I bet. Yeah, looks close that way. Yeah, it's probably pretty close. It's close enough to me. Run it! It's only a Ford, right? So if you want to make it a little bit close, we can use this indicator. Just to be different. Now we don't indicate the top up here, we indicate down in the bore hole down below. This is not a register, this is a hubcap. Down here is what matters, so we indicate down in here. That's where we're going to bore it to anyway. And the reason we got to do all this is because he has a dully axle. Got a big snout that sticks through like that far. This is not made for dully axles, I guess. So remember that next time you buy wheels for your dully. Buy the correct stuff. Okay. See how close we were. Not very. That's why you indicate instead of just guess. Probably was off by about 20 thou or so at least. low spot over there. I went the wrong way. Yep, went the wrong way. Half a thou that way. Close enough. See, when I get the dial where it doesn't really move. So around 12.5 to 13, depending on where you're at. So goes all the way around. So we're pretty close. Look at that. Alright, so we zero this up here so we can get back to it again down the road. Just have to move it for some stupid reason, or it moves by itself. Alright. Probably should keep track of what time it is so I know how many hours to charge them. You could just watch the video playback, I guess, and do that too. That works too. It's 11 o'clock, so I've been about 10, 15 minutes on it now. Click, play back the video. How many minutes has it been? Okay, we gotta go out. What size hole we need to go out to? We need to go out to a big hole. So we used a big boring head, not the small one. The bigger the whole boring head with the bigger stuff is better. It doesn't vibrate as much. You don't have to have it out as far. This here feeds out quite a bit. It'll go out about this far. So, the closer you are, the better. Hid it from me. That's not the one I used to use, but it works. This is my go-to boring bar. Yeah, it looks like it's even got a sharp bit in there, sharp enough for this job. For now, anyway. It even fits. Perfect. Okay, we're going to just do 100 thou passes here. We'll set it up for the first pass right here. Put a little tension on it. So it doesn't just fall through. There we go. So we got this set for 0. You pinch it down right here, which locks it. This is on a dovetail. This here got tightened up over here. This is our crank handle. It's going to go down a cut. See, it's going to hit right there. So we're going to have to set our depth stop for automatic stopping. So we need to go through about another 3/8 of an inch, so something about here will be adequate, about about that spot. So you're going to pull up a little bit so you don't hit on that. Make sure it rotates and doesn't hit anything. Right now the speed's at 720, which is not that fast. That turns it on, starts fading down. If you can gauge it. Crank that pig up. stop works. There must be some good metal. Humming like crazy. That's alright, we like humming. It's called singing. Okay, each turn's 100 thou. There's one. There's two. Two means you're going to cut 100 thou at a time, so it's 200 total. That's a big cut. That's a real big cut. We'll turn it down a little bit for that. So we'll crank it down a little bit. Let's see what happens to 600 speed. Squirting juices at me. Making a mess. There we go. Stop. 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 There it goes. I want to stop here. That's not enough. That goes there. Alright. Appears to be flinging objects at me. Good thing it didn't hit me in the eye. Hit me in the foot and the leg and the arm. Alright. For some reason this thing's humming real bad. I wonder why. I can either leave it or I can fix it. Maybe if I sharpen a bit, it'll quit humming. That's always an option.